Folks, today we're working on a 2019 Nissan NV full-size van. This model is the 3500 HD, but it's basically the same as the 1500 and the 2500 HD. We will be working on changing out these map lights. So I've already done the one side, swapped it over to LED. This side still has incandescent. So it's basically the same as a 05 and up Toyota Tacoma. You just very gently, you can come in underneath here, about ½ inch on either side, or even on the end here, but you just reach down in and pop down these little hinges. They just snap, like pop off the tang. Shut that off so that it cools off. The bulb can get hot already. Remove it. And then you got your LED replacement. It's a 30mm festoon bulb of your liking. Now I've turned the power on, and then you can check the polarity. That's right. So simply reinsert the festoon bulb, angle it basically flat like that. Yeah, it's working. There you go. Then there's these little hooked tangs. They kind of slip in over a plastic stopper at the end, up and in. Then you just pop the corners back in flush, check its operation, and away you go. So it's a simple 30-second fix. Takes longer to buy lights than to change them out. So there you go. I made this video because I didn't see one online, so I thought, for the curious at heart, there you go. Pretty easy. Have a good day.